Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Phantom Wallet to make money. All right, let's begin. First, open your Phantom Wallet and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now, there are two main ways to make money with Phantom Wallet. The first method is investing in Solana. Tap Buy and purchase Solana using MoonPay, Google Pay, or a bank transfer. If you already have Solana in Binance or another crypto exchange, tap Receive to transfer it into Phantom Wallet. Once you have Solana, you can start earning by staking. Tap on the staking section, choose a validator, and enter the amount you want to stake. The app will show the estimated fees and APY, which determines your earnings over time. The second method involves trading meme coins. After acquiring Solana, research trending meme coins that have potential to increase in value. You can do this through YouTube, Google, or crypto forums. Once you find a promising coin, go to the Phantom Wallet, select Solana, and swap it for the meme coin. Enter the amount of Solana you want to trade, review the transaction, and confirm. If the coin's value rises, you can sell it for a profit. So that's basically how you can use Phantom Wallet to make money. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.